NST is taking them to industry visits, and exposing them to the real life problems of what industries are facing. And that gives them an opportunity to really think about what they want to do in their 4 years, how they want to shape their educational career, that they can actually be productive when they come out of education, right? I think this is very, very important because the industries are also evolving. So to support the industry evolution, you need to have students who have that kind of innovative thinking. So I'm Chandrasekaran. I work as the country head for the IEEE India operations. So I think there are a few things when we talk about what universities can do or are currently doing. If I go to a lot of universities, I see an entrepreneurship cell. I see an innovation cell, right? These things didn't exist back in the day, So as universities, as students are thinking about research problems, I think there is already a hunger, a passion to see how I can convert my research into a product. So students have an opportunity to create an IEEE community within their university or within their college, right? And by doing so, they can connect with the global experts. We call it a student branch, so student branch within the universities. In my life, curiosity has taught me a lot. When somebody says something, you don't have to challenge it there. If you don't understand, go and look it up, right? Why is it like that? Why can't it be different? I think the education is also getting restructured as we speak, right? People are getting into more experiential learning, right? So I think students are getting exposed to the industry much earlier in their student phase, right? They are in their first year of their bachelor's degree, right? So when I was in the first year of bachelor's degree, it was a very traditional mindset. There is a set of courses given, we are hunting for classrooms. Instead, I understand that NST is taking them to industry visits, and exposing them to the real life problems of what industries are facing. And that gives them an opportunity to really think about what they want to do in their 4 years, how they want to shape their educational career, that they can actually be productive when they come out of education. The industries are also evolving. So to support the industry evolution, you need to have students who have that kind of innovative thinking, right? So innovative thinking, getting it introduced very late in a student life is not very helpful. I think having that perspective as they enter their student career is quite exciting. And I see that change happening in the next generation students or kids, right? They are already thinking, what are the problems I want to solve, They are not thinking about the traditional aspect of, I want to work in this company or that company. So instead of working for companies, they are trying to think about what problems they want to solve. And I think that's quite an exciting change. And NST's approach to that, I think will really help the students go into that direction.